Here they are for one and all. The Moomins are about to call. Come on and sit down here with me. They're here for you on your TV. They are the Moomins. They are the Moomins. So come with me, give me your hand. I'll take you up to Moomin land. You can fly just like a bird. You sing the best song ever heard. They're with the Moomins. 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 Ba 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 ba
In Moominvalley, everything usually stays the same. You can ordinarily trust people not to change too much, but sometimes they do take up new hobbies.
That's not it. Not there.
Whatever next, the Hemulen seems to have taken up a new hobby, bird watching.
Oh. That's it over there.
Look, it's the Hemulen.
So it is.
Goodness, I wonder what he's up to.
Let's find out. What are you looking for, Mr. Hemulen?
Shh. Just a few more strokes and it'll be all done.
Oh.
There we are. Look at this.
Why are you going on about birds all of a sudden?
I'm not going on about them. I'm doing an important pictorial survey. Drawing that bird over there has taken me a whole week.
But you always said that plants are the only interesting things.
That's true, but I've studied just about every plant in Moominvalley by now. Trouble is, not even greenhouses and cross-pollination take up all my time. Do come in for a minute. I don't ever have guests, so I don't tidy up.
Oh, boy.
How wonderful!
Did you draw all of these, Mr. Hemulen?
Yes, Moomin, I did.
If every one of those takes a week to draw, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, oh, well, you've really been very busy.
There certainly must be a lot of birds I've never seen in Moominvalley. I had no idea.
Of course you didn't. That's only because you haven't looked properly, Snorkmaiden. They've been there all the time and never noticed them.
Look at this. You haven't finished this one yet.
No, you see, it very rarely comes to Moominvalley. In fact, my last sighting was last year.
What an unusual black face.
Isn't it beautiful?
Yeah.
Now listen, why don't you all go out and really start looking around carefully? You'll be surprised at how much you'll see. Here, I'll lend you this book.
Oh, that's kind of you, sir.
Go to the woods south of here and you'll find some very interesting species.
Oh. I never noticed that flower before.
It's incredible how much you see when you're not running.
Some of them are pretty weird.
What's this? Look, come here for a second.
Very weird.
They look just like tiny little cups.
Let me have a look in here. Ah, here it is. It's a special kind of moss.
Doesn't look like moss to me.
Moss can look like that.
Let's go deeper into the forest. I bet there are even more interesting things in there.
Okay, let's go. That'll be cool.
Wow, it's very steep.
Oh, wow.
See that? I wonder what it is.
Huh? I can't make it out from here.
Well, I want to find out what it is. We'll have to climb up there, won't we?
What? Climb up there? But what if you were to fall down?
You just break up into little pieces. You're not scared of that, are you?
But of course not. It's just a lot of trouble. Hey, where are you going? I'll stay here because someone's got to stay down here to catch you if you fall.
I can see it now. Oh, it's a bird's nest.
Oh, did we scare them?
I don't think so, but the mother's returned.
That's the Hemulen's bird with the black face.
Oh.
Oh, what are they doing up there? Hey, up there! It's time you came back down now! Well, at least you can do is let me know what's going on. Huh? What's that?
A kite.
You're right. He must be after the baby birds.
Keep it up, birdie!
Get him!
Oh! Sniff, where are you?
Huh?
Catch the bird, Sniff!
Catch it, Sniff!
Huh?
There's a bird falling through the sky, so you gotta catch it.
Huh? There's that kite again.
He's going to get those baby birds this time.
You just wait. I'll get you.
Shoot! Get on! Get out of here! Don't you dare! Get away!
Oh, thank goodness.
He might come back in a minute.
I think we better take the baby birds home.
Home?
What a good idea! Yes, let's take them and their mother.
Oh, dear. I wonder what happened to the mother. Sniff, did you manage to catch the bird?
Yes, I caught her. But I don't know. She seems to be hurt.
Now that should do the trick.
How is she, Papa?
Well, unfortunately, her left wing is broken, but otherwise she's okay.
I'm so glad.
But the babies.
They look so forlorn.
Guess they're hungry.
They must be.
I'll get them something to eat.
I'll come with you.
So will I.
Don't go
But
without me.
Moomin, do you know what sort of food they need?
Yes, I saw the mother bird giving them some kind of little blueberries.
That's good. Get as many as you can.
We will.
We will.
Uh-huh.
What a lot of berries.
These must be the right ones.
Yes, let's pick some.
Very tasty.
You mustn't eat them yourself, Sniff. You should pick them.
This should be enough.
Yeah, let's go home quick. Here you are. Eat, little birds. Oh,
That's strange.
Maybe they aren't really hungry.
but they must be hungry. There. Oh. Snufkin?
Hi, Moomin. Hi, Snorkmaiden. Are you going somewhere?
Yes, to see the Hemulen. Maybe you would know. Tell us, Snufkin, do you know how to feed baby birds that don't want to eat anything at all?
What? Is that a riddle or something?
No, it isn't. We've rescued some from a kite, but now they're refusing to eat these berries.
They were in a nest high up on a cliff, and the kite had hurt their mother, so she can't feed them anymore.
Well, I know more about fish than about birds. What I think you should do is go ask the Hemulen for advice. He'll know.
I guess you're right.
Come on, Snorkmaiden, let's go to his house now. Hello, Mr. Hemulen!
Mr. Hemulen!
He isn't home.
Maybe he's gone out sketching again.
There he is over there.
Hello, you two. What is it now?
Oh, we need help.
How lucky we are you came back.
Well, how can I help you? You've got the book. You didn't have to bring it back so soon, you know.
What? No, it isn't that. We need your advice. We've come here to ask you about some baby birds.
Really? Well, what do you want to know about these baby birds?
We'll give you back your book anyway. It was very interesting.
Thank you. I'm so glad you liked it. But how are the birds?
We found that bird you said you hadn't seen for a year. You know, the pretty one with the black face?
Did you really? Where was it? It's probably gone away by now. I don't suppose I'll ever see that beautiful bird again.
Oh, no, on the contrary, Mr. Hemulen.
What on earth do you mean, Moomin?
Well, you see, the bird is in the Moominhouse right now.
What?
Where are they? Why aren't they back yet?
They won't come any sooner because you worry.
This is crazy. The mother bird eats the berries all right, but her babies just won't. I really don't understand it.
I don't know. It's a crazy situation. They ate one. Oh, I understand now.
Understand what?
That reaction is quite normal.
It is?
Yes, when the babies hatch out of their eggs in the nest, they get totally centered on the first thing they see, which is their mother. She feeds them, and so they won't eat anything that they don't get from her.
Oh, I see.
So what happens if she isn't there to feed them anymore?
It's very sad, but I'm afraid they won't last long.
Oh, what can we do?
I might have an idea about that. Studying nature as I do does have its advantages, you know. Yes, there's more to it than those Latin names.
So you really think we can save them? There might be something we can do so that they don't starve, Mr.
Yes.
What? But that's impossible.
Nothing is impossible until you've tried it, Sniff.
But I'm so much bigger than they are, Moomin Papa.
I know that, but remember one thing. They do have bird brains.
Well, I think you're the perfect one for the job, Sniff.
You only want to see me make a fool of myself.
Now stop being silly and let's get started. It won't be all that easy.
It sounds as if they're sawing or something.
Yes, it's coming from the porch.
Papa, what are you doing?
Ah, Moomin. Oh, hello, Mr. Hemulen.
Hello.
What are you making, Papa?
Hey, what is it? Wait and see.
Oh, the poor thing. It's lucky it was just a kite, though. She would never have survived against a hawk or an eagle.
So you think there's hope for her?
I think she'll probably be able to fly within a week or two.
That's good.
There we are.
It's done.
What do you mean?
Now then, why do the baby birds refuse to eat, even though we know the blueberries are the right ones for them? Well, one must use a bit of logic in a situation like this one. It's pretty obvious, really. They only eat when their own mother's there to feed them. Therefore, I've been thinking, and I've come up with an idea. The only answer is for the one who feeds them to look as much as possible like their mother.
A good idea.
Very good. So I decided to construct a bird costume, and I thought that the best one to wear it would be Sniff. Sniff, come in, let's see it.
Don't be shy. Everyone's waiting, Sniff.
He certainly looks very odd.
I'm counting on the birds not being clever. Come on, let's try it out. Baby birds usually start chirping when their mother comes near them.
But he still looks like Sniff.
Try chirping, Sniff. That might attract their attention.
What?
Then flap your wings.
Flap your wings and chirp too.
Good. Keep chirping and fluttering your wings. Action. Excellent. Keep it going. You're doing very well.
Oh.
Sniff, now's your chance. Start feeding them.
Yeah, all right.
No, not that way. Use your beak.
All right.
Oh, they're eating.
You've done it!
Well done.
Isn't it marvelous?
And once the baby birds had accepted the strange new bird as their mother, they just went on eating. No matter who was wearing the costume, they just ate and ate and ate. They even started growing, and then, of course, they ate even more.
Morning, Snufkin. How are you?
Morning, Moomin. Berry picking?
Yes, lots of them. Anything the matter, Snufkin?
Moomin, I think you should know something about these baby birds you and your friends have adopted. They'll be leaving soon.
What?
Well, the mother bird will be flying again, and her young will be ready to leave the nest. And also, they only come here to Moominvalley once a year for the nesting season. Then they fly further south.
Well, I did know about that. I knew that all along, of course, Snufkin. But for some reason, I just didn't let myself think about it. We've only just rescued them from the kite. They couldn't possibly be ready to leave their nest that quickly, Snufkin. How can they fly? They can't even flutter their wings yet.
Moomin, would you like to know why I travel around so much on my own? I've been doing it for as long as I can remember, indeed, since I was a very small boy. And of course, I will go on doing it. 'Cause that's my nature, and it's the only life I know.
It is?
It is. And I know from bitter experience how bad it is for you to go against your nature. And their nature is to fly south when they leave their nests. You see, Moomin, these rare migrating birds are just following their natural instincts, that's all. It's just something they have to do. So when they go, don't feel sad.
Yes, I understand. But I'll feel sad anyway, I'm afraid, when they finally fly away.
And before long, the big day arrived.
So the day has come for you to fly away.
Are you sure, Moomin?
But I want to go on feeding them.
Their wings are fully developed now. Under normal circumstances, they'd have already left. I must admit, I never thought that they'd survive.
You're free, little ones. Ah, right then. Spread your wings wide and start fluttering. That's right. Keep it up. Oh.
Just look at them all. They've come to say goodbye. Don't forget to come and see us next year.
I'll pick lots of berries for you.
I'm sure you'll get those kites back this time next year.
Take care now.
And have a safe trip, little birds.
Don't forget me.
Moomin felt a bit sad, but taking care of the birds had been rather wonderful. And they kept the bird costume. Who knows what could happen next year?